Just throwing out for that three-wing circus. Nola, my boy right here. We got some road construction. Bobbing and weaving out of the cones in front of me. I just missed the boy, almost wrecked. But yeah, he think he could drive. Not so much, but you know, he's getting there. Hope. He's a hopeful. He's a hopeful. He's a prospect. That's what we're going with. Prospect. Try to get him doing it again. There it is. Woo! That's them boys right there. Woo! And hot damn, it's the police and a whole fuckload of them. Alright, I'm signing off.